If you are editing a podcast or a voiceover and you want to remove the breaths, then this video might help you. But if you want to remove the breaths from your live recording, then the following tool will help you. This plugin is called the Primary Source Expander. It's by Waves, but you can use any other expander from any other company. I've got this one, so I will show you how to do it with this expander. When I am talking, the meter goes to around -18 to -15 decibels. But when you are breathing air inside, it's a different story. Let me demonstrate to you. As you've seen on the meter goes to around -45, maybe -40 decibels. So you adjust the first adjustment, the threshold, to let's say -35. Okay, and now, as you can see, when I am talking, the blue meter goes over the line. And when I will breathe air inside, you will see how it will go. So as you can see, the breathing is in the yellow area. So now what you do is adjust the range to -15. Or you can go a little bit higher to -20, -30 decibels. And now, what does this plugin do to your signal? When the input signal is approaching the blue line, then the expander starts to do absolutely nothing to your signal. But when the input signal level go much lower and lower than the blue line, then the expander starts to push down the volume even more and more. So how to set up correctly? First, you measure the breath level. And secondly, when you are talking constantly like now, then it is important the expander to not work. This is a bit aggressive right now, but I will set it to -26. And after adjusting the range value, yes, you must talk for a couple of seconds. Like now, this is a test recording and I want to demonstrate how this expander is working. As you can see, it's pushing down just 1 or 2 decibels of volume, but you can lower it a little bit more, like maybe to, for example, -20, yes? So as you can see right now, when I'm talking, the expander almost is doing nothing. But when I am breathing, then you shouldn't hear it, right? So this is one of the methods which you can use to lower the breath's volume. When you are doing a live recording, you can use this plugin also in OBS or some other apps which you use for streaming. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and see you in the next video. Peace!